In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoFilter and Standard Filter in LibreOffice Calc. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc and opening the spreadsheet you want to work with, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Filters work best when your data is in a contiguous block with clear column headers, so try to avoid completely blank rows or columns in the middle of your table. To prepare the filter, highlight the range of cells you want to analyze. If you simply click a single cell inside a continuous data range, Calc will usually detect the full table for you, which saves time. Now turn on AutoFilter by going to the Data menu and choosing AutoFilter, or press Ctrl, Shift, and L on your keyboard. Small arrow icons will appear in each column header. Click the arrow on the column you want to narrow down. In the Value Search section, uncheck Select All, then tick only the items you want to keep visible. This instantly hides all other rows. If you need something more targeted, use the search box to quickly find matching entries, or pick built-in conditions like Top 10 to show the highest values, or Empty to display only blank cells in that column. When you're ready to see everything again, open that same arrow and choose All or Clear Filter, and your full data set will return. For more complex filtering, use the Standard Filter. Click anywhere inside your data range so Calc knows where to look. Then go to Data, More Filters, Standard Filter. In the dialog that opens, set field name to the column you want to filter. Next, choose a condition such as equals, greater than, less than, or a text condition like begins with. Enter the value you want to compare against. To add another rule, use the operator column to select AND, meaning both conditions must be true, or OR, meaning either condition can pass. This lets you combine criteria, such as category equals hardware and quantity greater than 10, without changing your source data. If you need finer control, click More Options. Here you can enable case-sensitive matching, leverage regular expressions for pattern-based searches, or copy results to another location on the sheet so you can review the filtered output separately. That's all there is to it. AutoFilter for quick, column-by-column screening, and Standard Filter when you need multi-criteria precision.